Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and in this video I am going to show you step by step how to use Canva's AI code generator, a brand new tool that helps you create custom code snippets right side inside the Canva, perfect for adding widgets, embedded or custom elements to your design or website. If you are beginner, don't worry, I will break it down in the simplest way possible. So without any further ado, let's get started. So what actually is Canva's AI code generator? First, what actually is the Canva AI code generator? It is an AI powered feature that lets you generate simple code snippets like HTML, CSS, or even basic JavaScript using plain language prompt, kind of like ChatGPT but built in Canva. So it is super useful if you want to embed custom elements in a Canvas website, add widget or generate code for exporting to other platforms. So first of all, you just need to be open Canva and access Magic Media. So as you can see, we are already landed in Canva platform, but when you will arrive in Canva, then you will get something like this kind of an interface. So here you just need to be login if you have an account. If you don't, then you just need to be signing up. Here you can create this kind of a things in Canva by using Canva also, like poster, resume, logo, whiteboard, social media presentation. Actually, even you can create website too with this platform. And here the greatest feature is the design and code with AI. Turn ideas into reality at the speed of conversation with the power of AI. Design, you can design with AI also. Then here you can see this is the actual interface when you will take help from artificial intelligence. And the main thing is it is a perfect fit for everyone, because you can see Canva free is available for us who are not able to use the premium one. So you just need to click over here, then you just need to create an account over that place. You just need to paste your Gmail, or if you have Google account you can go with this one. If you have Facebook you can go with this one. So you once you create or complete your account, then you will get this kind of an interface, and this is the home interface. So here you will find out this Canva AI option. So here you just need to describe your idea and they will bring it to the life. So here you can see we have options like code for me, draft a dog, create an image, design for me. So on your homepage, look for Magic Media. This is where all the AI tools lie. This it's called Magic Media. Then click on Magic Droid, then look for code generator in the AI tool list. If you don't see it yet, make sure your Canva is updated to the latest version, or check if it is a part of your Canva Pro or team plans. So now I am going to generate our first code snippet. Let's generate some code. Like you just need to click on this code for me options, and then here you just need to describe your thing. See what you can do with AI. You can an interactive pricing calculator. Let's go and let's this prompt we already provided. Like in the prompt box, they type what you want. For example, create an HTML embedded code. Let's copy this one and write something on from my mind. So let's copy this one and let's add create an HTML embed code for contact form with name, email and message field. And I think it's quite well. Now I just click over here this button, submit button. You just need to click over here. Canva AI will instantly write the code for you. And here actually you can see they already provided and this code. So I will apply this code on any snippet. So I will search w3 is called HTML. So here I will click over here HTML, try it yourself. So here I will going to paste my code. Once it's done, then actually I will paste it here. So let's wait a bit to complete the process. Here you can see they are already writing our code over that. That's really amazing. Like I can say that and here actually you can see that our our code working perfectly, and the design is created so much nicely. It is very much workful for us. I hope you love this work. So now I am going to generate another thing. So I will ask anything, and let's click this one and let's see what will happen here. So you can see that the result already been come over here. So you just review the code, you can copy it to your clipboard now. So here already coding is started. So now I think it will take a while because we given prompt that is so much hard. So let's wait a bit to complete the process. Now here you can actually see it that we already got our pricing calculator. So what we actually describe to this artificial intelligence, that we told that create and select modern pricing calculator for my business. Start with an example for clarity studio photographing sessions, 115 to $215, and editing will be this, and then ask me about my business name, industry, service, product to include adjustable pricing, basic variables, preferred visual style, make it visually striking with trendy design elements, fully mobile responsive, and one functional button. So here you can see it already working towards my prompt. So I will click to this one, use the design, and I will click to the website, and here actually you can see that it is working. So I think it already been done. So let's, like, now do you actually use this code in Canva? Like if you're designing a Canva website, here is how. Open your website project, click apps in the sidebar, search for embedded, and then Canva has embedded apps. So here you just need to be like customize the calculator, your business name, industry. So here your business name, like let's click to the version 2, this version 2. So how we can copy this one? So here we are going to click reset clarity, then here we already pasted this design over here, double check to enter it. So now we can select any image, we can increase the size, we can get code, and we can do all rest of work with this one. So here you can see it. I will make the design standard hundreds premium, then so it is now working. So you just need to open your website project and apps and paste the HTML code into your embedded block. Click embedded, your custom widget or element will appear right on your page. This is perfect for adding things like fonts, custom buttons, widget, or third-party scripts. So if you found out that your website is working perfectly, just click to the publish website, and here your website will be published properly. So now we just need to be like shift to the premium one to post this website to our website. So now let me give you a couple of tips for using Canva AI code safely. So here's a few quick tips that keep it simple. Canva embedded tools work best with clean HTML or trusted embedded codes, and test the code before publishing. Broken code can affect how your page looks, and don't paste risky script. Avoid unknown third-party scripts that might cause security issues, and always double check your AI code. The AI is helpful but not always perfect. Once you finish, like a bonus tip, that you can reuse your AI generated code outside Canva too. Just copy the code and add it to your own website, landing page, or email builder if it supports custom HTML blocks. So even if you don't publish a full Canva site, the AI code generator can save you time to small widget or snippets. And that's it. Now you know how to use the Canva AI code generator as a beginner. And if you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like this video, subscribe, and turn on notification for more Canva AI and design tips every week. Got any questions about using AI in Canva? Drop them in the comment box below. I would happy to help. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.